Jamaican people, what is really going on in our country? What is really happening in our country? I want to open up my eyes and look and see what's going on, you know. I want to open up my eyes. PMP, Labour right, people will never vote, people will not plan for vote, everybody. Open up my eyes and look what's going in and around. Oh no. We don't need to sit down and look what's going in our country. We can't talk no more about our rights. We have freedom of speech. Listen to me, let me tell you something. Especially the people who vote. We all have a say. Here, we have a say. You see, once you vote, you have a right to say what you have to say. All when you don't vote, you have a right. But you see the people who vote, you have a right to exercise your rights. Don't make nobody call no down. Don't make nobody call no down. We have a right to speak up what is going on in and around us for our island of Jamaica. I'll be a fucker, me say I go on. And I know I see it too. I know I see it too. Open up on the eyes and look. Wow. Go on. I fuck we get fuck, you know. I fuck the beautiful island of Jamaica get fuck. We the people I fuck we get fuck. You see the system where they create, I eat a fuck with. And the worst is yet to come. Remember me to tell you now. The worst is yet to come. Here, people, the worst is yet to come. Anyway, I have my YouTube channel over there where I speak about some things. I talk about logical things in our country where I go on. My channel name, Tasha Thomas. I'm going to go over there, go check it out. Share, like, and subscribe. Bless upon yourself, my people.